Wealthy Wednesday. Investing 101. Smart money moves start with two powerful tools. Ledger Nano X, your secure, Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet for storing crypto safely. Perfect for beginners and pros protecting long-term digital assets. One up on Wall Street. Peter Lynch's classic guide to spotting winning stocks using everyday insights. Simple, practical investing wisdom that still works today. Build wealth with confidence. Start small, stay consistent, and invest smarter, not harder. This message was brought to you by Mr. Y, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels. Truality.Legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central hub Truality.Finance.